Hey, what's up guys? Welcome. I'm Dilan and we're here at Super7. We're wrapping this M5 for Juca Viapri and we're wrapping it in this EVOLV gloss area gray. This finish is clean, but the install is where it matters. EVOLV vinyl lays down smooth with a high quality finish that allows for precise installation and a seamless look across every panel. From tight edges to complex curves, everything is wrapped with attention to detail, making sure the final result looks as close to paint as possible. This BMW M5 takes a completely new presence, clean, aggressive, and refined. This wrap doesn't just change the color, it highlights every design detail. The gloss finish enhances the body line of the car, while the bronze rims and the yellow calipers bring just the right amount of contrast. This is more than a wrap, it's a full transformation. Alright, from here, heading back to EVOLV to see what's next. Alright, Mattia, what we are with the Gumball, like which colors did they approve for?
So I just got the approval, so finally is officially. We have the two colors are approved. I have here the approved sample. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here you go. Wow. Okay, so we're going to have a gloss, and this is going to be a satin. So now that the colors are approved, we can go in production. We can get everything ready for the marketing. We're going to present them Saturday 9 of May during the Supercar Saturday. The concept is interesting because we're going to have two cars there. We're going to unveil the two cars so people can see the two colors and they can pre-order. So they're not going to be ready for sale right away. They're going to be ready for sale only from the day of the rally, so June 4.
Sounds like a busy week.
Yeah, it's going to be a busy month.
Yeah. How many cars are we going to do over there?
So during the Supercar Saturday, we're going to have these two cars that we're going to unveil, plus we have another 25 cars that we're doing collaboration with Gumball and Supercar Saturday.
So all that's going to be in the Supercar Saturday?
Correct, yeah. It's going to be a takeover from Gumball of the Supercar Saturday. It's going to be a massive event. So we're going to go live on social media. We're going to invite a partner, customer, everybody.
On the Supercar Saturday, are we going to have like a booth or something?
Yeah, of course. So we're going to have a booth over there at Supercar Saturday with our tent and everything. And we're going to have the two cars that we're going to unveil live over there.
Yeah, that would be cool. Definitely.
Yeah.
All right, so just stay tuned. On Supercar Saturday, May 9. The Supercar Saturday is gonna be in the Hard Rock Hotel, so I'll see you guys there.
Hopefully. So at the moment we're focused on these two colors that we're going to release the 9th, but in June we're going to release another
3 colors.
Another 3 colors. Plus we're releasing another extra 3 colors with Paint is Dead. So we're going to release another 6 colors on top of these two. That's going to be after the Gumball. So when Gumball is finished, when everybody's back, we're going to release the other. It's going to be 3 colors PPF with us, and 3 colors are Paint is Dead colors.
Oh, so it's going to be like all of them are going to be PPF colors?
Of course, yeah. We're going to have another drop in the summer that we almost finished to decide the colors. And of course there is also SEMA show that where we're going to make a mass release there. We know that Alfredo already started to work on the booth for SEMA in Las Vegas, and with Emmanuel we have to work on which color we're going to release.
Comment down below which color you want us to produce new. So right now we have multiple builds. We went first for Super7 for the BMW M5 with the gloss area gray color, and then now we're gonna head up to Von Wraps with Taylor that they're gonna wrap the Audi R8. So we're heading right now to Von Wraps to see how Audi R8 is looking. I don't know if they're finished or if they're almost done, but we're gonna head over there and see how it's looking.
Oh
My God. This looks so good. Look at that pink. That is amazing. She's Tiffany blue and pink. This looks great. Look at that. This looks so good. I love it. I want my other car wrapped this color, and I'll have two. What's up?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing well. So the last time you guys all saw this car, it was gloss white, relatively stock, just the lovely wing on the back. Now it is gloss Aurora Mirage Teal from EVOLV, full coverage in PPF. So it has protection and that diversity in the choice of color. And how do you like it so far, how it came out?
I love it. My jaw dropped when I saw the color on the car, because normally I go for neutral or pinks, because you guys know me, I love my pinks. But this actually gives me a little bit of both. So in the sunlight, you can see like a pop of pink, which I love. And it's different. So this is my new favorite color for sure.
As the sun hits it, you get that accent of color, especially wherever the light is hitting on the body lines. You start to see the accents of the pink metallic flake that's in the color. And the good thing is also at night with street lights, you're gonna get that pop of color as this is driving. So when it's in shade or any dark environment, you're gonna see more of the Tiffany blue because that's the base color. But whenever it hits any accent lighting, it's gonna have that pop and wow to where you can tell, hey, that's not just any normal Tiffany blue. So the uniqueness is there.
Amazing.
Now all we need to do is the calipers.
Yeah,
calipers,
right?
make it match, and this thing is perfect.
You paint them or you wrap them?
Paint.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yay, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Eric.
No, of course.
Love on wraps. My second time coming.